Hi, this video demonstrates the prerequisites for all-in-one installation of Foglight for databases. For the all-in-one install, monitoring databases must be up and running, the ports must be opened between the databases and Foglight application. A database user must have admin account privilege, or for minimum user access privileges, permission scripts can be downloaded for Oracle and SQL Server from the Foglight UI. An OS user, that is a local admin account, or a service account that is part of administrators group. The SQL Performance Investigator component requires SQL Server database instance. Foglight SQL PI component currently supports 2016 to 2019 standard or enterprise editions. If there is an antivirus software installed, ensure Foglight installation folders and SQL Server database is on the exclusion list. For more information, refer to the Microsoft article listed on the screen. In an all-in-one installation, the Foglight Agent Manager is embedded. The Foglight repository and the SQL PI repository are on the same SQL Server instance. The table illustrates machine requirements for 20 databases to be monitored, machine specs, SQL Server memory allocations, and Foglight Java virtual memory settings. For more information on Foglight prerequisites or distributed installation of Foglight, please check out the deployment and installation guide. For more information on Foglight for databases, please go to quest.com/Foglight for databases and check out the video section for Foglight for databases install.